Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily save some info, text info on your Mac. So for doing this, just choose some information you want to save, so for example this one, and just tap on Command C. So I will make a keyboard with light, so just tap on Command and C. And now just open Note, so here you can see it, Notes. So just open it, and now just tap on Command Y. So here you can see that we successfully save our text info. So now just let's close our notes and just open again. So here you can see that our info successfully saved. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.